I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today we are going to check the vocabulary and the topic of today. But first, the vocabulary, the first word is characters. A character can be a person or an animal that is the principal actor in a movie or a cartoon or something like that. Okay? First grade. First grade is the level where you are. For example, first grade, second grade, third grade. And the last one is of. Of is a preposition. You can use of in a sentence. For example, this is the vocabulary of today. Of today. Okay? Continue watching the video for more explanation.
The topic of today is about characters. Characters, in this case, we are going to talk about the characters of Beauty and the Beast. Pay attention, please. The characters are all the person or the animal in a movie or a cartoon. For example, in this case, we are talking about the Beauty and the Beast. So the characters are, for example, the Beast, Gaston, Belle, that is the Beauty, Chips, and all of these are the characters in this movie. The activities are my own. Write in your notebook the characters of my own reading and 4 on 7.
See you tomorrow and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.
I never